my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to one of my subscribers requested if I do a pumpkin pie, so that's what I'm going to make. And if you're not a fan of pumpkin pie, this may want to change your mind after watching this video. It is so creamy, bursting with pumpkin goodness, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And this will be great for your Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner, and everybody will enjoy this delightful dessert. So grab your pumpkin and your pie crust sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin pie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese that I let come to room temperature, and we're going to cream it until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, to the cream cheese, we're going to add in 2 cups of mashed canned pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. And we're going to blend the pumpkin in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in our sugars, a 1/2 cup each of white and packed light brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And blend those in until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in a 1/2 stick, which is 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 2 light and beaten egg yolks, and 1 cup of evaporated milk. Blend those in. Alright my friends, our pumpkin pie is almost complete. Now it's time to add in our last 3 ingredients. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of my homemade pumpkin pie spice, the link to that video down below in the description box, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice extract, and blend all those in. Alright my friends, the pumpkin pie filling is ready. Nice and smooth. I can smell the pumpkin spice and the pumpkin spice extract. And pumpkin. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the filling into the pie crust. I'm using my homemade pie crust recipe. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated or a frozen deep dish pie crust. Make sure you pre-bake it. Alright my friends, I got the pumpkin pie filling into the pie crust. Now we're ready to bake it. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake until the filling is set and the crust is golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it, southern pumpkin pie. It smells awesome in this kitchen. Nice and golden brown. Alright, so now we're going to let the pumpkin pie cool for a few minutes, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I garnish it with some whipped cream and some pumpkin pie spice on top. Now look at that. Look at that. That looks delicious. Alright, here we go. Ooh yeah, look at that texture. Lord have mercy. OMG. This pumpkin pie is the bomb.com. Creamy, melts in your mouth. This is the best pumpkin pie I ever had. Y'all would love this recipe. This deserves another bite. Pumpkin pie delicious. Well my friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and happy Thanksgiving.